Information. Let's shift our focus now. Delhi air. Delhi continues to reel under a toxic mix of smog and dense fog. This morning, visuals from various parts of the capital show thick haze blanketing the national capital. Air quality remains in the poor to very poor category. As per the CPCB, in response, the Commission for Air Quality Management has enforced all curbs under GRAP Stage 4 across Delhi NCR. Dense fog has also hit visibility and transport. An orange alert for fog remains in place till 9:30 a.m. Visibility dropped to 150 meters at Palam Airport and 200 meters at Safdarjung earlier this morning, forcing flight operations under Cat 3 conditions, raising the likelihood of delays and further disruptions. Rail traffic has also been affected, with at least 22 trains running late at New Delhi railway station. Loco pilots have been advised to operate at restricted speeds as the capital battles yet another winter air pollution crisis. Meanwhile, noting that China and India know the struggle with air pollution, the Chinese embassy has offered help to Delhi by posting a step-by-step guide on how Beijing was able to battle this crisis. Now, for more on this, we have with us Nivedita Singh and Akash Sharma. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, Nivedita, let me just come to you. If you could just show us around what the situation remains like right now.
I am at the Delhi-UP border right now in Gazipur, and the ban on non-BS6 vehicles which are not registered in Delhi has started from this morning, and there is a checkpoint behind me where police is checking the vehicles which are not BS4 and are not registered in Delhi. When they are trying to enter, the police is stopping them and are redirecting them back to Uttar Pradesh. And along with this, the Delhi government has also imposed a ban on refueling of vehicles which does not have a valid pollution certificate starting from this morning. So both these direction from the Delhi government are imposed to ensure that the vehicular pollution in Delhi remains under control, and there are no severe lesser contribution of vehicular pollution in Delhi. Along with this, the Delhi government has also allowed work from home facility for all the organizations registered in Delhi. So in a way, they are expecting already lesser pollution with reducing half of the workforce. But yeah, there is strict checking going on here, where each vehicle which are not registered, which the police feels are not below BS6 levels, are being checked and being verified before allowing entry in Delhi.
All right, Akash, let me come to you on this also. As Nivedita is mentioning, these measures are, of course, in place. This is a crisis that we see annually. It's become a yearly phenomenon right now. We are also expected to see some flight delays, some other disruptions, as though the Indigo spell wasn't enough. This time, the Delhi air is causing another spell of disruptions. What can you tell us?
Right, so addition of fog in the pollution has definitely impacted the lifestyle of the national capital. We have been discussing that how AQI remains in the very poor category, and that's the reason why Graded Response Action Plan is in place. In fact, the 4th level of Graded Response Action Plan. Nivedita was talking about the sort of measures that the Delhi government has taken, and right now we are learning that how, in fact, the addition of fog has further impacted the visibility, because of which we are seeing delays in the trains and, in fact, flight. As far as flight movement is concerned, so we have been given to understand that Delhi airport is equipped with all the fog instruments, that are required for the landings of the aircraft, and that's the reason why we are not seeing significant delays in the flights. But definitely visibility is impacted, and we are learning that visibility is just 150 meters at Indira Gandhi International Airport. On the other hand, as far as rail travels are concerned, so we have been given to understand that trains that are entering to the Northern Railways territory are getting delayed because of the fact that in the outer areas we have visibility very low. At such point, in fact, loco pilots and the loco engines are equipped with the fog safety device. They are given fog detonators as well. But there is a general advisory that you have to maintain, safety, and you have to, in fact, keep the safety paramount. And that's the reason why they are following restricted speed. And in fact, that is because, we are seeing a delay in all the trains that are approaching New Delhi railway station in the next 4 hours. Him.
All right, Akash and Niveta, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. Of course, this is an